Hey folks, a warm one across the valley again today. Still is warm. Look at Rio Grande City, 106 right now. 99 Edinburgh, McAllen's 98, 95. Weslaco, Raymondville, Harlingen, Brownsville a little cooler at 93, and Port Isabel checks in right at 90. Your dew points are actually down across the upper valley this afternoon, 50s and 60s, so it's a little more comfortable the farther west you go. As you get to the coast, dew points are still in the mid 70s, so we'll put an average of about 70 on the muggy meter. So we're up in the very humid category in the lower valley, but the upper valley you're down in here. So yes, humid, but not, terribly humidity. Wind gusts this afternoon have been 20 to 25, 26 miles an hour across the area. So not real strong, but certainly breezier than normal. Overnight tonight, temperatures are going to bottom out in the mid to upper 70s, 77 in Weslaco, also McAllen, Edinburgh, Rio Grande City. A little cooler in Raymondville and Harlingen, then a little warmer as you get to the coast. And then tomorrow afternoon's highs back over 100 again along and west of the 69C corridor. East of that, you're looking at upper 90s, and then to the coast about 86 to 88 at South Padre Island. The normal high for the end of July, 97 degrees. That's a 30-year average, and tomorrow we'll be a little bit above that at about 99. Thursday, Friday, we step down just a little bit, get right back into that normal category. So nothing exceptional about what's happening today or the rest of this week weather-wise. Radar's quiet. The suggestion is tonight stays quiet. During the daytime tomorrow, the sea breeze will try to activate, but I think it's going to be somewhat unsuccessful. There will be an isolated shower or two, but nothing big, nothing widespread. Thursday, probably a little more activity, so we're up to 20% for Thursday. Again, sea breeze kind of stuff. I think Friday's still a mainly dry day, but an isolated shower can't be ruled out then either. So we go from about a 10% probability or mainly dry up to 20 and then back to 10 for Friday. So the chances there the next few days, but not big rain events by any means. Satellite radar over the region shows clouds moving north to south across South Texas. And if you look to the north, there's an awful lot of moisture up here in southeast Texas. And some of that is going to kind of wrap around the southeast side of the high that's sitting over here and push those clouds in our region. And tomorrow, allow that sea breeze to come to life with a little more moisture, a little bit of a disturbance mixed in. So our chance of rain is there. You watch, the stuff kind of fades away, but we need the heating of the day to really get stuff going again tomorrow. And for the most part, the moisture is still up in southeast Texas tomorrow. So something isolated, that's about it. Thursday, a slightly better chance. The moisture's a little more widespread all the way down to South Texas. So again, we're up to a 20% chance on Thursday. Friday, we're still hanging in there with a slight chance of showers as that high starts to retrograde or move back to the west a little bit. That will allow more moisture to come in. Bottom line is we keep that shower chance here in a very small degree all the way into and through the weekend. But you're looking at mostly 10 to 20%, not much more than that. The Gulf, quiet except for this stuff right now that's moving off to the southwest. We go to the Atlantic. Actually, one system in the Caribbean still has a 10% chance of developing when it gets up into the northwestern Caribbean, northwestern Bahamas, off the east coast of Florida 5 days out. Another system coming off of Africa right now, still at a 20% chance of development out 5 days. That development would likely take place in the middle of the Atlantic, western Atlantic. Still a long way out there, but that's where we watch this time of year. At the coast, winds out of the south, southeast 5 to 15, a moderate chop on the bay. Small craft operators urged to exercise caution. There's a low risk of rip currents, high tide and low tide tomorrow. So for tonight, your First 105 AccuWeather forecast, 77, mainly clear and warm and muggy. Tomorrow back up to 99. That shower chance tomorrow only about 10%. Pretty isolated stuff, but there'll probably be a shower or two around, mainly in the coastal counties. Slightly better chance on Thursday, still a slight possibility Friday. Next half hour will show you the 7-day rain chances, and there's at least some chance every day, but that chance is never very big, just a slight possibility. That's your updated First 105 AccuWeather forecast.